If you've been searching for ways to score free Robux, you might have come across Tety.site, a bold, attention-grabbing website that promises an unbelievable 50,000 Robux just for completing a few quick steps. At first glance, it sounds like the ultimate dream for any Roblox player, but the moment you start looking closer, things don't add up. Roblox itself has no mention or endorsement of Tety.site anywhere on its official channels. The domain was registered only recently, and the site's actions raise multiple red flags, from suspicious redirects that take you to unrelated pages to broken links that simply go nowhere. The constant flood of pop-ups feels more like a trap to collect clicks than an actual reward system, and there are zero credible reviews or testimonials on trusted platforms like Trustpilot, which is a big warning sign for any online offer. Plus, the promise of giving away 50k Robux at once is wildly unrealistic. Legitimate giveaways usually offer much smaller amounts, and even those require strict verification. All of these factors combined make the site look far more like a high-risk gamble than a golden opportunity, leaving you to wonder if the only real thing you'll gain from visiting is wasted time and frustration.